The question says catalyst used in the Raschig process. Keep in mind, in Raschig process we produce haloarenes. Okay, haloarenes. And first of all, let me write down the chemical reaction. Then easily we can identify which catalyst is used. Okay, we have the benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring is there. We have the benzene ring, and it is reacting with HCl, and we take oxygen gas is also there, and we have the region CuCl2. 523 Kelvin temperature is maintained. 523 Kelvin temperature is maintained. 523 Kelvin. Okay, 523 Kelvin temperature is maintained. Okay, we have CuCl2, copper chloride is there. Okay, and we get the product benzene ring, and this is Cl is there, chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene is there, chlorobenzene. This reaction is quite similar to, you might have learned about diazonium salt. Okay, Gattermann reaction is there, Sandman reaction is also there. Okay, so in this case we have the diazonium salt is there, diazonium salt, and we have N2 plus NCl minus is there. Okay, so in this case what happened, if we take Cu X is there, then we have HCl is there. You can see here we have HCl is there and CuCl2 is there. Little bit variation is there in the reagent, HCl, and we have CuCl2. In this case we have CuCl is there. Okay, so one Cl will attach to the benzene ring, one Cl will attach to the benzene ring. Like this you can remember. Okay, because these reactions are very common reaction. Gattermann reaction is there, Gattermann-Koch reaction, that reaction is different. We have Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann reaction is there. In Sandmeyer we have Cu and HCl is there. Product will be same. Okay, in Gattermann reaction this is the reagent we have, and in Sandmeyer reaction this is the reagent we have. Okay, so you can see benzene ring is converted into chlorobenzene in the presence of CuCl2, copper chloride reagent. We have copper chloride. You can see option second is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.